Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please subscribe, share and like this video. Today I'm going to show you how to create Gmail account. First of all, open your preferred browser. But at the moment I'm using Chrome, that's why you can see Google over here. So if you are using different browser, go to google.com and then type in gmail.com. And that will take you to this page. But make sure you don't use this box. Because you don't have any existing Gmail account, you can't use this box. So move down here, you see create account. And because you are creating account, you're going to click on this. And there are two options here. One is for myself and the other one is to manage my business. I think it's self-explanatory. For myself is for your personal use, and to manage my business is if you have any business and you want Gmail account to manage that kind of business, you click on this one. But since this is tutorial, I'm going for myself. So let's go for myself. And this page will pop up. It says create your Google account. So that's where you have informations like your name, username, password. So let's go first name and second name. Let's pick any name to create our Gmail account. Google has recommended this for us, but I don't want to use this. So I'm cleaning it. This is too common, so I'm sure someone has taken, but let's try. Then password. See down here. See. Use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for your password. You must try as much as possible to make your password very strong. So you have to follow these instructions to create your password. So you confirm the same password in the second box. And then you move to next. You see, as I told you, see the red. That username is taken. Try another one. So in this case, you can add numbers to it. So let's try and add numbers. So you go to next, you click this button. Yes, we are getting there. And now Google need our phone number. So we have to verify our phone number here. So make sure the phone number you are entering here is correct phone, because Google will send you verification code. And then after you go to next. Now I've got the verification code. So let's enter the verification code. And then you see this box, verify. You click on this box to verify your number. So now you see our Gmail account. So our email is here, princedavid1390@gmail.com. but we are moving on. You see, there is recovery email address. It's optional. If you have any Yahoo or Hotmail, you can use it here to recover your account just in case you forgot your password. But if you don't have, don't worry, you can still use your number to recover. So let's leave this side and move on to your birthday. So birthday, let me put in anything. And then move to gender. And you go down here, you click next. Your account. So you go down here again and you click yes, I'm in. You move down, you see privacy and terms. You can read all this information. So you can read all of them. And then you click these two boxes. After reading them, you click these two boxes and you click this button, create account. And you see confirm. Our Gmail is loading. Now our Gmail is ready to use. So you see Google has sent us some email. So that's it. Now it's done. So if you want to write or send any email, you click on compose. You see on the left hand side, compose. You click on it and that's it, to subject and everything here. So that's everything. So it's simple. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. Please share this and hope to see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.